Someone is trying to make ice cream here.
This is Afghan Shirias.
Oh,
Yeah.
This is. Look inside.
oh my.
This is the milk. Juice is the milk. This is pure milk, a little bit dry fruits, and we don't have anything else like a little bit sugar. So let's try.
How did you come up with this idea?
This is very famous thing in Afghanistan.
Oh my.
So every Afghan person
In,
must have this.
in Afghanistan, you guys get ice. Snow.
Yeah.
No, sure.
Yes, very much. In Afghanistan, it's weather is most minus 15, minus 12. Yeah.
I never knew that.
3 meter, 4 meter. No, it's like here. Yeah, it's very normal here. يا صغير ماشي يا أبقى 3 متر ليش 2 متر؟ هو ماشي لك I told you, you will not believe
Yeah,
it's going to.
It's very delicious.
I'm starting to believe.
Ya kasa jut version. Ya tu kasa jut. Ini po. Kami sekarang beri balas okay. Ne juras. Kami sekarang part ko. It's not designful, but because we don't have tried.
Yeah, I can't.
Just
try it.
It's
There's
good.
no.
Oh, are you sure?
No. Customer is not ready to taste the ice cream because it is a bit late for me. Imagine it's a serious ice cream. So you're taking for your wife? So funny.